Welcome back! As artificial intelligence reshapes the global economy, the world's largest semiconductor company is racing to stay ahead of demand that is growing faster than anyone expected. According to NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang, this is not a temporary surge. This is the beginning of a structural shift in global infrastructure spending. According to Huang, demand for NVIDIA's AI chips is not slowing, it is accelerating. Just months ago, NVIDIA reported more than $500 billion in backlog. That number has already grown. AI demand has moved far beyond large language models. It is now expanding into healthcare, drug discovery, manufacturing, and logistics. What changed is not just software capability, it is AI's ability to understand the physical world. This new phase, known as physical AI, allows systems to model causality, physics, and real-world constraints. That is what enables autonomous vehicles, advanced robotics, and intelligent manufacturing systems. This is not speculative technology. These systems are already being deployed. The pace of improvement is where things become staggering. NVIDIA's upcoming Rubin chip is 10 times more energy efficient than Blackwell. It also delivers 10 times lower cost per generated token. Blackwell itself was already 10 times more efficient than Hopper. This means AI is not only getting more powerful, it is becoming dramatically cheaper to operate every single year. Lower costs unlock new use cases. More companies can afford to deploy AI at scale. More industries become viable targets for automation and optimization. This is how exponential adoption actually happens. One of the most debated topics around NVIDIA is China. China already has a rapidly growing domestic AI chip ecosystem. Many startups have created hundreds of billions of dollars in market value. The real issue is not access, it is leadership. With trillions of dollars flowing into AI infrastructure, the bubble question inevitably comes up. Huang does not see bubble dynamics. He points out a simple fact. Every NVIDIA GPU deployed in major cloud platforms like Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, and CoreWeave is fully rented out. There is no idle capacity. In fact, demand is so strong that the secondary market price of older GPUs has increased rather than declined. That is not what bubbles look like. This level of demand suggests something much larger. Over the next 15 years, global AI infrastructure investment could exceed $85 trillion. This may become the largest infrastructure build-out in human history. This is not a short-term cycle. It is a structural transformation. AI is becoming foundational infrastructure, similar to electricity, computing, and the internet before it. The companies building that infrastructure are not guessing. They are responding to demand that already exists. Our thanks to Jensen Huang for the insights. And one final reminder, when infrastructure shifts this quickly, capital moves first. Markets adjust later. Stay ahead of the shift. Want to know how we trade this major technology trend? At TruthSayer AI, we trade every single one of the alerts our AI generates. If you are interested, you can join the thousands of clients already on our app who are taking advantage of these trades every day. Remember, we trade every one of our alerts our machine learning and AI models generate. Sign up on our website. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.